strain my voice screaming in there? Does it have to be so loud?
Well, here we are at Curborough. Just stopped for lunch. I'm going to turn around because I'm being blinded by that sun. What a bloody lovely day it is. You'd never know it was autumn in the UK. Probably done 6 or 7 runs up to now, and the best word I've heard to describe it is frantic. There is just no let up. From the second you leave the start gate to the second you pass the finish line, it's just full on, absolutely full on. What's strange for me as well, having always done track days, is you haven't got a chance to get anything up to temperature. You haven't got a chance to get in kind of the groove. Usually when I go out on a track day, I'll do 1 or 2 laps just to get myself back into it and then go full send. No opportunity for that here at all. So yeah, bit of a learning curve. I do feel like I need a gear 2.5 if I'm honest. I'm spending a lot of time kind of shifting between second and third and usually being in the wrong gear. But very good fun, very good fun. Let's see if we can get a bit quicker this afternoon, because something I didn't realise is today is being timed. And I don't think I'm going to set any records. way to spend a day, driving an obscenely loud Honda around in circles in the sun. Can't get better than that. Special thanks to Nick / Team Horny Racing. Always a pleasure attending his days, always really nicely run. So thanks very much for that. No real issues to speak of with the car, to be fair, other than driving there with one loose wheel, but we'll gloss over that one. Can't really say for certain whether all my coolant issues are solved because the runs were so short today. Car never really had a chance to get properly hot, so I think we'll have to wait for a proper track day to really test that out. Speaking of proper track days, can't see me giving them up in a hurry for sprinting or hill climbing, although today was fun, and it really was fun. The ratio of seat time to waiting around was way off, to be fair, compared to any track day that I've done. And also, as I mentioned earlier, I do like to build myself up to flying laps rather than having to go full send straight from the start, and that probably says more about my lack of driving talents than anything else, but hey, we can't all be Ayrton Senna, can we? So what's next then? Well, I'm sorry to report that I have decided to sell my Nürburgring track day ticket for next month. Mostly due to COVID restrictions, meaning I can't actually get a retest on my trailer licence, so I wouldn't be able to tow my car there. Given that I don't really want to drive this car the 8 or so hours there and back, given that it is far less comfortable and far less economical than it was before. Added to the fact that there's a massive risk of something happening when we're over there on the track, or even a risk of something happening there or back, especially in kind of COVID restricted France and stuff. It's just not worth the risk. I just cannot justify it at this moment in time. I'm still going to go. I have accommodation over there which I can't cancel, and I don't want to let my friend down, so going to chuck one of the bikes in the back of the CRV and try and make the most of it. On a more positive note, I have booked Donington GP for a day in November, so that will be awesome. I am also going to try and get a day in at Castle Combe between then and now, if at all possible. We'll see. Whatever happens, whatever we do, I'll be sure to make a vlog about it, so I will catch you then.